Hi guys, how are you all? So today again we are going to talk about a rational number, but today our topic is about how we can compare the rational number and how we can put them into ascending and descending order. Right? Ordering of rational number. That means how we can put them into ascending and descending order. So now first let us understand it on the number line. On a number line, the rational number which is on the right side is always the bigger one than the number on the left hand side. Let us try to understand it in a better way. Let us draw a number line. So suppose this is a number line, this is 0, then we have 1, 2, 3 and so on, positive numbers, and this side negative numbers, -1, -2 and -3. Let us take some rational numbers also. So let us take suppose 1/2. So 1/2 will be here. It is a positive rational number. Then let us take -1/2 also. So it will be somewhere between here, -1/2, right? Then we can let us take -14/5. So it will be somewhere here, -14/5. Right? So we have many rational numbers here. Let us take one more. That is, suppose it is 14/5. So as if I was saying, the number which is on the right hand side is always bigger than the number on the left hand side. So all the numbers which we have represented on the number line are the rational numbers. 14/5, 1/2, -1/2, -14/5, they are straightforward looking in the form of P/Q. So they are the rational numbers. But similarly 0, 1, 2, 3, -1, -2, -3, they are also rational numbers. Right? Suppose let us take 3. So 3 can be written as 3/1. So it is in the form of P/Q. So it is also a rational number. Similarly, all others are also rational numbers. So let us see here on the number line. 3 is on the right side and 2 is comparatively on the left hand side. Right? So that's why 3 is greater than 2. Now let us compare it with the negative numbers. Suppose let us take -2 and -1. So from the integers also we know that -1 is greater than -2, right? And again we can see that -1 is on the right hand side and -2 is comparatively on the left hand side of -1. So similarly, if we talk about suppose 1/2 and 14/5. So 14/5 is on the right hand side. So 14/5 is bigger than 1/2. Similarly, if we compare -1/2 and 1/2, so which is on the right hand side? Let us see on the number line. 1/2 is on the right hand side now. So it is a bigger number, right? So this is a very simple way how we can find out the numbers on the number line, that which is the bigger one or which is the smaller one. But we have some other method also. Let us suppose take a rational number, suppose it is 2/3, and the other rational number, let us take it 2/5. So what is the rule saying? By making the denominator same and comparing the numerator of the rational number, we can find out which one is the bigger one, right? Here the denominators are different. This denominator is 3 and this is 5. So what we will be doing? We will be taking LCM of 3 and 5. That is, if we take the LCM, so it is 5 3s are 15 is the LCM, right? So let us make the denominator of both the rational number 15. So if we make it 15, so we have to multiply both numerator and denominator by 5. 5 2s are 10 and 5 3s are 15. And this side it will be, we have to multiply numerator and denominator both by 3. Then the denominator will become 15. So 5 3s are 15 and 2 3s are 6. Now the denominator are same. Now we will simply compare the numerator. Here the numerator is 10 and here is 6. 10 is greater than 6, right? So this rational number is bigger than this rational number, or simply we can say 2 by 3 is greater than 2 by 5, right? If suppose we have the rational number like minus 2 by 5 and 2 upon minus 5. So before taking the LCM, we have to make the denominators positive always. So it will be minus 2 by 5, one fraction, and the other will be minus 5 by 2, right? We have made the denominator positive. Now we will take the LCM, so that will be 10, right? Their LCM will be 10. So we have to make the denominator 10. So we will multiply here numerator and denominator both by 2. So it will become minus 4 by 10. And this here we have to multiply both numerator and denominator by 5. So it will become correct. Now let us simply compare here the numerator. Okay, now tell me what is the bigger one, minus 4 or minus 25? Yes, in the negative numbers, what happens? The number which is towards 0 is the bigger one, right? So minus 4 is the bigger one. Here also on the number line we saw that. Minus 1 was the bigger one in comparison to minus 2 because it is on the right hand side. So minus 4 will be on the right hand side of minus 25. So minus 4 is the bigger one. So here this fraction will be bigger one. Or then we can simply say minus 2 by 5 is bigger than 2 upon minus 5. Right? So this was a very easy method by which we can compare the rational numbers. So when we can compare, we can also put them into order, right? That becomes very easy for us, but I can make a separate video for putting the rational number in the order also. Okay, so by then, goodbye, and we will meet in the next video and learn something new about rational numbers. Bye bye everyone.